Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and assemble the head. So we're gonna go ahead and remove all these caps. This is the intake side. If you're doing the Cruze, it's kind of slanted on the face, that's how you can tell. Also, the caps are numbered, and the even side is your intake side, the odd side is your exhaust. This way you kind of put them back in the same spots, and they're all pointing towards the timing side, kind of like the pistons. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all these. Alright, so here's the lifters. They've been soaking in oil for like 3 days now, 4 days. At least let them soak overnight. You don't want to put them in dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop all these down the holes. Maybe a magnet wasn't the greatest idea.
In there.
Just clean them, put them in.
Oh, I can't imagine this engine being dirty.
Yeah, a lot of sludging. Alright, so now all those are put in. Now these rocker arms, you want to make sure they're clean, so I'm going to wipe all of them down and put them in place. So my buddy took this head apart and he said that they're marked, the cams. The only marking I see is a 4 and a 5. That's different, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the 4 on the exhaust or intake side with the even numbers for the caps. Seems like a pretty good place to do it. Make sure you clean up all your lobes and where your bearings go. We're gonna get some assembly lube and make sure you get it on everything. Make sure your rocker arms are all lined up on the lobes. And put some more assembly lube. Alright, so again, the even ones go on the intake side, arrows pointing towards the timing. We're gonna go ahead and get these started. They go in order 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Basically, I'm just apologizing for bad camera work.
Don't excuse. Alright, so the manual says to tighten these evenly, one turn at a time. So I'm just gonna run them down with my fingers as much as I want to use the impact gun. Alright, so they're all running down with my fingers. Now I guess we're gonna follow the manual. Do one turn at a time. Alright, so these caps get torqued at 8 Newton meters or 71 inch-pounds. I don't like that at all.
No.
I almost ever tighten them, just snuggle them up.
Yeah, you put them on with your... No, you used the ratchet, never mind.
I mean, yeah, this little ratchet though. Alright, so I started from the center, worked my way out. Now I'm gonna go down the line, make sure I hit them all. Well, I think that kind of wraps up the head.
Such a nicer looking thing than the other one.
Yeah.